For nearly 75 years, Williams & Davis Boilers has been an international leader in the design and construction of package boilers and boiler feed systems. From the small workhorses to the industrial giants, Williams & Davis Boilers go beyond national standards of workmanship, quality construction, safety, dependability, and energy efficiency. Being a leader in the industry has always been a comfortable position for Williams & Davis Boilers. Their concern for safe, quality construction is why their boiler systems are in use around the world. Where other boiler manufacturers end, Williams & Davis Boilers begin. In the critical areas of construction, Williams & Davis Boilers go beyond the requirements of insurance inspections, municipal codes, and the standards set by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers and enforced by the National Board of Boiler and Pressure Vessel Inspectors. Whether it be gas, oil, or electric systems, vertical tubeless boilers or packaged Scots Marine low and high pressure boilers, a Williams & Davis boiler means the highest possible standard of craftsmanship. Here are just a few of the special engineering design features that make Williams & Davis Boilers the industry leader. The sled-type steel skid base makes for easy handling and installation. The gas, oil, or combination gas and oil forced draft burner is efficient and provides trouble-free operation with only a few simple adjustments. Swirling short flame makes maximum use of radiation and forced convection principles. Burners on size 80 and larger boilers have full modulation controls and come completely mounted, wired, and factory tested. 2 inches of glass and rock wool insulation provides cost savings in operation and a cooler boiler room. The insulation is protected with a 20-gauge galvanized steel jacket.
Not all boilers are made the same way. It is very important for you to consider all of the aspects in regards to the construction. Here are a few points for your review. It all begins with pressure vessel quality material manufactured in the United States of America.
We cold roll the boiler shells to preserve the integrity of the steel. For top quality product, we need precision manufacturing throughout the whole process.
Williams & Davis Boilers go beyond just the fundamentals of boiler system construction to provide the safest, most economical, easiest to operate, and highest quality boilers. When you inspect a Williams & Davis boiler system, you get value far beyond any other system.
Is the metal used to make the boiler tubes too thin? That can decrease the life of the boiler and become a very expensive repair item.
The 12-gauge 2.5-inch diameter boiler tubes are evenly spaced and designed for faster steaming, another cost efficiency step. Heat misers are welded to the shell of all vertical tubeless boilers.
Is the combustion chamber the proper turnaround area? If it is too small, you can have overheating problems and a shorter life of the boiler.
The large steam area assures dry steam with plenty of reserve for those periods of peak loads.
Heat treating of the boilers is to eliminate the stresses of the welds to the parent metals.
Every high-pressure boiler is given a post-weld heat treatment for stress relief of every welded section of the boiler.
Does the forced draft burner meet low nitrous oxide emission standards? If not, you can face code violations and penalty fees.
Any standard or specialized safety codes can be met. Not only are Williams and Davis boilers the best engineered for efficiency and economical operation and manufactured with the best craftsmanship, but the quality testing each boiler must pass is the toughest in the industry. To meet national standards and pass insurance inspection, each boiler must be tested.
As a factor, we've got welder qualification test bends here. This is one bend, face bend of a welder qualification test, which is representative of the product or the boiler that we build. And of course, this test passed. And in my other pocket here, I have a sectioning of a bend test that doesn't pass, doesn't meet code standards or W&D standards.
And we also do quite a few X-rays.
Yes, we do. These X-rays were taken of a fire tube, and of course we do X-raying of all our longitudinal and circumferential seams, which is not always required by code, but is a W&D standard. Here we have a X-ray that had a small line of porosity in it, and we made a repair on that, and of course then here is the corrected film that is now meets W&D standard as well as code standard. We at Williams and Davis Boiler X-ray all longitudinal and circumferential seams on low and high pressure boilers. Here we're going to X-ray a 360-degree shot of the seam. Here we have the X-ray film that we have previously exposed a moment ago. We've got the layout for the longitudinal X-rays, for the layout and identification that we're going to for shooting the longitudinal seam. What we're doing here is we're doing an ultrasonic test to check the minimum thickness of the corrugation. And once again, code only requires that we do the fourth corrugation in, but I usually will do every fourth corrugation to assure the quality of and guarantee the minimum thickness.
Is there an inspection port to view the burner combustion at the rear of the boiler?
The rear door has an airtight seal, 18-inch inspection door for access to the back end of the boiler without opening the large rear door, including a sight glass for checking the burner combustion.
The corrugated furnace allows thinner material with greater strength so that there is better heat transfer from the BTUs of the burner to the water for faster steaming.
The special corrugated fire tube is hot formed by Williams and Davis and not cold formed. This hot forming results in uniform thickness of the quality pressure vessel steel.
Do the front doors open and clear the burner, or do you have to spend hours removing the attachment just to open the doors?
The front doors are also insulated and designed to be opened without interfering with fittings or burner parts. The stack temperature is guaranteed not to exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit net readings above steam temperature. The 80% plus 2-pass and 3-pass Williams and Davis boilers allow little of the energy to exhaust up the stack. Even more fuel savings are provided by the specially designed Williams and Davis heat misers. These are individually engineered for each boiler to provide even heat distribution and maximum heat transfer.
Is there a rear door for maintenance and inspection? And is the rear a hinge door that can be opened for major repairs?
The large combustion area is lined with quality refractory material, which is able to withstand very high temperatures for longer life and economical operation. These are examples of how Williams and Davis boilers go beyond national and insurance inspection standards. Williams and Davis boilers did not become the industry leader just by being good. They are the best you can buy. When the boiler system you purchase is loaded for delivery to your location, you can be sure you have the best engineered, most economical, and highest quality crafted boiler system available. That's the Williams & Davis Boiler Pledge. And their emblem on your boiler means you made the right choice.